And then they said if you get it even bigger and you say 1 meter cubed. A meter cubed. Okay, how big is a cubic meter? Well, it's a pretty good sized thing. It's close to a cubic yard, which would mean you look on the floor and you do make a square out of a 3x3 area and put it 3x3 high. I mean, it's a pretty good thing. You know, if you thought about your desk being a big box, it would be probably close to a cubic meter or something like that. You know, how much capacity would that hold? 10 to the 6th or 1 million. That cubics in milliliters. I don't know why we go to milliliters, but 1 million milliliters. And how much would that mass be? 10 to the 3rd or 1,000 kilograms. So if you think about that, by the way, 1,000 kilograms would be about how many pounds, Nick Shanks? If this desk were a box and it was filled with water, about how much would that thing weigh in poundage? It's about, huh? Oh, what is 1,000 kilograms converted into pounds? 2.2 pounds is a kilogram, right? So 1,000 kilograms, 2.2 lbs is 1 kilogram. This would be 2,200 pounds. So it'd be pretty tough for you to pick up a big box filled with water. How much is a gallon of water? Here's a good one to remember. About what does a gallon of water weigh in poundage? I should have you write it down. Anybody? A gallon of milk. You bring it home. What's that bad boy weigh? Oh, Nick. Huh? It's not 3 pounds.
2.8.
Write down the same. A pint, a pint's a pound, the world around. A pint's a pound, the world around. In other words, 1 pint weighs 1 pound. So the question is, by the way, your little milk cartons, they're half pints, so each little milk carton weighs a half a pound. How many pints are in a gallon?
16.
Nope, that's cups.
Wait, no, that's 8.
Exactly. 8 pints equals 1 gallon. So a gallon of milk, a gallon of water is about 8 pounds. Oh, don't you think a gallon of milk is pretty heavy? Maybe you don't know what a pound is. How much is a pound? Huh? A can of soup? Yeah, it might be a little more than a pound, huh? Yeah, grams probably more than that.
A paper, sheet paper.
Oh, you know, I showed Java people, they have to be.
They created the
news. Yeah, I know.
Okay, so here's some of the questions they're going to give you. Take a look at your paper. Look at practice letter A. What is the mass of 3 liters of water? If you take a look at this, alright, let me just write it down here. Now, 3 liters of water, it wants the mass. So you've got the little label, mass means how many kilograms equals how many kilograms. And again, this is kind of a no-brainer situation because you're given all the conversions there. Just if you use the little unit multiplier conversion thing, 3 liters over 1, you want liters to cross off, so you put liters on the bottom. I want to make it kilograms. I just need to find out how many kilograms are in a liter. If you go over here and you see this, look, 1 liter is 1 kilogram. So you just put 1 liter, 1 kilogram, and your answer would be 3, because it doesn't change. A liter is 1 kilogram. A 2-liter pop then would weigh about how much? 2 kilograms, and 2 kilograms is how many pounds? 4.4, 4.5 pounds, so you can figure all that stuff out there. How about the next one? What is the volume of 2 liters of water? What is the volume of 2 liters of water? So you look on your little thing there where it says liters, volume is 1,000 centimeters. So 2 liters over 1, you put liters on the bottom, you put centimeters cubed on top. There's 1,000 of these things here, one, and you end up with 2,000 centimeters cubed. And we just talked about that, 2-liter bottle. Letter C says, when the bottle was filled with water, the mass increased by 1 kilogram. How many milliliters of water were added? So you want to know 1 kilogram equals how many milliliters? Is that what it is? Yeah. So you look on your little sheet and find where it's kilograms and milliliters. Oh, look, is there a kilogram milliliter up there? So what do you got to do? Kilograms, we don't have one that goes from kilograms to milliliters, so you have to find a common conversion between the two of them. In other words, change kilograms into something, then change it into milliliters. So kilograms you could change into what, Lauren?
1 liter.
Okay, 1 kilogram is the same as 1 liter. So 1 liter is how many milliliters? Well, if you look on here, it already tells you 1 liter is, wait, do you have 1 liter on here? Why are you telling me not to do that, huh?
Isn't it 1,000?
Wait, 1 kilogram, did you say change it to liters or milliliters? Oh, it does say there. Yeah, sorry. No, it doesn't. Well, you should know it, but I'm looking for the conversion for the no brain or no thinking sort of thing. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 centimeters cubed, and 1 milliliter equals 1 centimeter cubed. So yeah, it is 1,000, because it's the same thing as whatever. I wanted to do it unit multiplier ways. Could I do it unit multiplier ways? 1 kilogram equals how many? What can we do? We want milliliters. You can do grams.
But that doesn't say like 1,000.
All right, which one has kilograms? And what else is kilograms there? I guess that's always them. Well, you can do centimeters cubed, right? Yeah. You'd have to go from 1 kilogram equals how many centimeters cubed? And that says right there 1,000. And then 1,000 centimeters cubed equals how many milliliters? 1,000. Indicates. That's exciting, isn't it? How about letter D? I'm going to give you a chance to do letter D right now. Come on, Callum. An aquarium that is 25 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide by 12 centimeters deep can hold how many liters of water? How many liters of water? $25, 10, and 12. how much water will that aquarium there hold? Mick says, how many? 3 liters. Well, let's see what happens here. The first thing you need to do is find the volume of this. And that equals length times width times height. What do you get if you multiply 25 times 12 times 10? 120 times 25 is what? So the volume equals 3,000 cubic centimeters. So now you need to change cubic centimeters into liters. Do we have one of those? Yes, we do. You have 3,000 cubic centimeters. Now here's a question I have for you. Every other time we've had cubic centimeters or whatever here, we've had to do 3 identical unit multipliers because it's the label cubed. Why don't I have to do that at this point? Jackson? Well, I don't have to do it this time because my conversion has cubic centimeters in it already. In other words, if you look at your thing that tells you how many cubic centimeters are in the thing, it says automatically that there are 1,000. Its label is also centimeters cubed right off the bat. You're not just looking for centimeters, it has centimeters cubed in it. So you don't have to do it if it's already got cubed. If it's already cubed, then you just have to do that one step. And what is this, 1 meter? And then you cross cancel. 3 times 1 is 3 liters. I would have thought it would have been more, but I guess, how big is a 25 by 10 by 12 tank? 25 centimeters is about that, by that, by that. It'll have to be bigger than that. 25 centimeters,
The ruler is like 30.
25 centimeters is what? 2.54 centimeters in an inch. So this is, it's about 12 inches or so. So it's about like this. That's